Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oneplus is updated and you've backed up quick settings. This avoids surprises. Once done, open Settings and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. You need to reach app-level controls. Next, find Default Apps or Caller ID options. This is where call screen handlers live. You're taking direct steps so you can change the app that controls incoming calls. Doing it now reduces extra steps later and ensures the new screen will apply system-wide. You now select Default Apps, then Phone app or Call app to swap the handler. Choose the new Dialer or Caller app. System options versus third-party appear here because the default determines the call screen UI. After selecting, make sure to grant phone, contacts, and overlay permissions so the app can show caller details and accept calls. If you skip permissions, the app won't display correctly. Once permissions are set, test by calling your device to confirm the new call screen appears. To finish, place a test incoming call and observe the new screen. If it doesn't appear, reboot the phone to force the system to reload defaults. If multiple caller apps are active, disable or uninstall extras so the system stops conflicting. This avoids ambiguous handlers. If problems persist, clear the chosen app's cache or reinstall it to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If the call screen still shows the old UI, revoke and regrant phone permission. Then reboot. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.